Good morning, kids. So today we are going to solve our worksheet. Topic is conjunction. So what are the conjunction? Conjunction means the words who join the sentences or the words. So and but are the conjunction. We also use but to join words and sentences. The instruction is join the sentences using the conjunction but. Rewrite it correctly. One has been done for you. One has been done for you. It means there are some example and in that one is already solved. Okay. So let's see. The woman is short. Full stop. The man is tall. Again there is one full stop. It means there are two different sentences. Okay. The sentences ends with a full stop. So in that conjunction, when we use add conjunction, that time we have to remove this full stop and here we are going to add the conjunction and the next letter it should be small. But just keep in mind, if there is a noun, proper noun means anybody names, that you have to write capital letter, means the first letter it should be capital. The woman is short but the man is tall. It means there are two different ideas in these sentences. The woman is short but the man is tall. It means there are two different ideas. He looks weak. He is very strong. So here he looks weak but he is very strong. Full stop. Okay. This dot is called full stop. So you can see he looks weak. Here that H is capital but after adding but the next letter it should be small. Okay. Understood? Now next. I like to dance. My friend likes to sing. I like to dance but my friend likes to sing. Give full stop here. Understood? Now next. The table is red but the chair are blue. Again full stop. The table is red but the chairs are blue. Number 5. The rabbit eats fast but the tortoise is slow. There is small space on this page, so my handwriting is going up. Okay. You also just try to write it properly. Number 6. He is smart but he is always late. He is smart but he is always late. Number 7. He loves swimming. He has no pool at home. उसको स्विमिंग करना बहुत पसंद है पर उसके घर में पूल नहीं है. पूल में स्विमिंग पूल. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट स्विमिंग पूल. He loves swimming but he has no pool at home. Full stop. Don't forget to give full stop after completing the sentence. A boat can float. A car will sink in water. A boat can float, but a car will sink in water. Okay, understood? So you have to complete this page. After completing worksheet, you have to solve your grammar book. Okay, now take out your grammar book, page number 5050. Join the sentences with and but. In the worksheet, we added only but because there are two different types of ideas. Okay, but in a grammar book, you have to add and or but. Okay, first is, it is an old car. It is very good. It is an old car, but it is very good. You can see here I used but, and next letter I have written here small. You can see the difference. Next is, I saw a tiger. I saw a leopard. I saw a tiger and a leopard. Here, no need to write I saw again because already it was written here. I saw a tiger and a leopard. क्योंकि यहाँ पे सिंगल पर्सन है, वो खुद के बारे में बोल रहा है. ठीक है, मैंने टाइगर और लेपर्ड दोनों को भी देखा. इसका मीनिंग ये होता है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट, नीना वेंट होम. शी स्लेप्ट. नीना वेंट home and she slept. Full stop. In summer, the days are long, the nights are short. In summer, the days are long, but the nights are short. Full stop. यहाँ पे मुझे जगह नहीं है, इसलिए मैंने नीचे लिखा है. Gina's pencil is long, Anu's pencil is short. Gina's pencil is long, but Anu's pencil is short. I love apples. I love grapes. I love apples and grapes. ठीक है, समझ में आया? So you have to solve this. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.